Liam and Emma have been best friends for 10 years. Today, Liam decides to confess his feelings to Emma, and she is surprised but reveals that she also likes him.
Hey Emma, do you have a minute? I've been meaning to talk to you about something important.
Of course, Liam. What's going on? You sound a little nervous.
Yeah, I am. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I don't know how to say it.
Liam, you know you can tell me anything. We've been friends for so long.
I know, and that's why this is so hard for me. I don't want to ruin our friendship, but...
But what? You're making me curious now.
Emma, I have feelings for you. I've liked you for a long time, and I couldn't keep it to myself anymore.
Wait, what? Are you serious?
Yes! I know we've been best friends for 10 years, and I didn't want to risk losing you, but I had to be honest with you.
Wow. I don't know what to say. I wasn't expecting this.
I understand. If this makes you uncomfortable, I totally get it. I just needed to let you know how I feel.
Liam, I'm just shocked. I mean, we've been so close for so long.
Yeah, I get it. I didn't want to complicate things between us.
But I need to tell you something too.
What is it?
I've liked you too for a long time. I just never said anything because I was afraid you didn't feel the same.
Wait, what? You like me too?
Yes, I've felt this way for a while, but I didn't want to ruin our friendship either.
Wow, I can't believe this. I thought I was the only one hiding my feelings.
I guess we were both too scared to say anything.
This is amazing. I never thought we'd feel the same way about each other.
Me neither. But now that we know, what do we do next?
I don't want to rush anything, Emma. I just want to take things slow and see where this goes.
I agree. We've been such good friends, and I don't want to mess that up.
Exactly. Let's just enjoy this moment and see where it takes us.
I like that idea. I'm so happy we finally talked about this.
Me too. This feels like a dream. I can't believe this is happening.
It's real, Liam. And I'm excited to see where this new chapter takes us.
Same here. Emma, this is the start of something special.
Definitely. Let's see where this journey takes us.